Lasfit, please send me a sticker, please. I would appreciate it. When you install the rear floor mats, you're gonna encounter this issue with the GX460 if you have these covers here to protect the screws or the bolts that are here. What you're gonna have to do is just take this little cap off here with any type of tool that you have. Just remove the cap. I'll just put this up here for now. Remove this cap. And you're going to use a 10 mil to undo this screw right here. And all you're going to have to do is just lift this up, put this underneath it, like so. And there you have it. Put it in reverse, Terry, and screw this back on. Put the little cap back on. And there you have it. Look at that fitment. Beautiful fitment. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at that fitment. Just like that. Just like that, we are done. Thank you again to our very, very, very generous sponsor for sponsoring today's video. We have been in need for floor mats for a very long time, and finally, after so long, of searching numerous pages such as Amazon, eBay, Temu, we have found, I would say, one of the best of its kind, Lasfit. Lasfit is so good to us, so generous. They decided to send us these floor mats, which are amazing. It hugs it so freaking nice. It seems like it just belongs there. So does the front. The front looks so good. It fits like a glove, to be honest. And again, we go off-roading on this quite a lot, so rubber floor mats are a no-brainer for these types of builds. If you need one, please hit Lasfit up. I will link this in the description down below so you guys can check it out. And if you need some help buying them, your boy probably has a good discount right here where our Godzilla is at. Right here. Just put the Rally Rex 915 code in there. Just put that code in and get yourself 15% off. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. I will be reviewing them more in depth once we're actually out in the field, or sorry, once we're actually off-roading somewhere where there's mud and there's like maybe some type of sand and water, just to make sure that they're durable, that they're a good fit from Lasfit, you know what I mean? But there you go, guys, there you have it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick cinematic shoot of these amazing floor mats, because they are truly amazing and I really love them. And I really needed them. My son was making a mess in that back seat, and my wife was too. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you again to our sponsor Lasfit for sending us these amazing floor mats. Thank you so much. And again, use code RALLYREX to receive 15% off your next purchase. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and here's a quick cinematic shoot for you guys. And there you guys have it. Until next time, peace out. Yeah.